5 services. Maka 5 service, mag-change tayo ng service.
Sure.
Any error, kahit sino nag-serve, point sa kabila. Okay? Ready? Go.
Check out yan.
Point. Hindi, tinira niya. Pero point. Kaya, tandaan nyo, 5 beses magsiserve. 5 beses. Ganun sa table tennis. Okay? Hindi kagaya sa volleyball. Kung sino yung serve siya, nagkamay na sa kanyang point. Hindi. Regardless kung sino mag-serve, kung sino magkamali, sa kanya yung point. Sa kabila. This is your second service. 1-0 in favor of hands. Go. 2-0. Third service, hands.
Outer.
Service niya. Huwag niyo ibabot yung bola. Third service, go. Change service. Point, Ren. 2-1. Up. Sorry. Third na, no? Third. So, fourth service. Fourth service. Alrayan. Papaan sa...
Transfer na. Transfer na.
Hindi ko nakita eh. Again.
Video kaming dalawa.
Last service. Ay,
Princess,
excuse.
excuse.
Pero magagalit.
Ito ba yung smash?
Excuse me,
Dito ba
guys.
yung son? Mamaya ka
Wrong.
Nagtitira mga nagbibidyo.
The wrong way.
Last service.
Sis, don't disturb us.
Good, you did the good way to
Change service.
use ping
4-1.
pong hands. You did the wrong way.
Net ball. Second service. Ren.
He's next.
5-1. Point. Third service. Ren.
You can do this, Hans. You always did the wrong way.
Alrayan. Naman yan. Point. Ren. Fourth service. Sky. Serve. 4-3. Change service. 5-3.
Ay, ito si Jessrey, sa dito.
Jessrey, wala na takbo. 6-3. Second service.
Ilalak ko kayo lahat doon sa kabilang kwarto. Hindi kayo makakalabas.
Serve. 7-3. Third service.
So sad to you.
Third. Third.
Having a good job.
Dalawa pa. Last service. Fourth service. 8-3.
It's still okay.
8-3. Serve.
Only one hit in the
Oh,
ground
diba,
at the
serve.
table.
Hands. 9-3. Don't let huwag kayong maano sa emosyon nyo. Concentrate. Last.
And then
Change service. 10-3. First service. Another service. 11-3. Third service.
you did the
Ren.
wrong way.
12-3. Again. Serve mo mga maayos. Ang player hindi na distract yan kahit anong mangyari. Huwag mong i-rule yung emotion mo. Huwag mo dyan ibuto ng galis. Hindi ganyan lang. Sport lang.
Teacher Debbie, nahumulo ko sila. Mga nagbibidyo po nahumulo.
13-3. Last service, Ren. Last service niya pa. Go. 13-4. First service.
Walang magawa yung
Oh, ikaw na.
Sino teach niyo yung first
Winner. 15.
Sir, nasira yung...
Ay, ano score?
Walang ka-weekend mo, sir!
Sis, kanina ka.
Dala kami, sir! Ano na? Lumabas ang
Hans!
sa bintana.
Sa bintana na sira po.
Ay, ako niyan. Sino pa maglalaro?
Tumalan ba?
Kaya mo ba?
3 minutes.
Already?
Kuya Eman, ganito lang ha.
One. Ay, pati ba?
So, excuse me.
Wala ka naman masisira nila.
Girl. Game mode. Kuya Ren.
Already?
Your